Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make this Jamaican green seasoning as well as the Trini garlic pepper paste. I'm making both of these because you guys know Christmas is coming and I'm going to be cooking. So I'm making my favorite seasoning to put on the food and my soups. So I'm looking forward to that, and so here we are. So to my food processor, I'm going to add a bunch of garlic, lots of garlic, all the herbs I just showed you guys, and my vinegar down in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. This is just thyme, cilantro, bell pepper, the garlic, and habaneros. And you can use this to season your meat. You could put it in stews. You could put it in soups. And yeah, so it's so easy and simple. As you can see, I'm already done. So I make this all the time. I already have a video on this, but I wanted to show it again since I'm going to be making these Jamaican recipes coming up. And I didn't want you guys scrambling to find the video. Next, I'm going to do this Trini garlic pepper paste. Now, this stuff is hot. It's hot, but it's really, really good when you mix it into your stews and things like that. So you're going to put a whole bunch of garlic into your food processor and a whole bunch of habaneros or scotch bonnet peppers, as well as the vinegar. Now, I add vinegar to both of them because I feel like, I use it for preserving. While it's in the refrigerator, it'll keep it nice and fresh, and that's why I use a little vinegar. I don't use much at all, just a couple tablespoons, and that's enough. You want to scrape down the sides. If you have any trouble with any of these while you're processing them, just scrape the sides down and just keep blitzing, and it'll break all the way down. So this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to show you guys how I use the green seasoning. So I'm adding it to a tub. Both the tubs was filled with garlic. So I replaced it with the green seasoning and the garlic pepper paste. So I'm going to put away the garlic pepper paste because we're going to use the green seasoning. I have some wings here. I'm making some wings for dinner. So I'm going to add some of the green seasoning to it. And I'm just going to season this with adobo, garlic powder, onion powder. You don't need no pepper. It's already, the spices and the green seasoning. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, simple condiment video. And stay tuned for my Jamaican recipes coming right up this week. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so, so much. This smells so, so good on these wings. And all you gotta do is bake it off. Bake it, fry it, stew it, do whatever. Look at that seasoning. Yes! All right, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.